Thank you so much to those who braved the cold and took their cars and motorcycles to Paris, Texas. It was very chilly, but it turned out to be a fantastic day. And thank you to the couple in the white Supra who came from Oklahoma. Hey, hello, how are you? I am Burke and you're watching either Road Odyssey or Angry Buzzard Autos. And today is December the 5th, 2020. And don't know when I will be publishing this video, but it is obviously a nice, bright, sunny morning. And I am on my way to Paris, Texas to the Harley Davidson. It is a cars and coffee and then a little toy drive and a meetup with Santa Claus. So let's head out and see what happens. As you can see, it's pretty cold this morning. On our way to Paris, Texas, and my tires are still warming up. We're passing up the dirt track over here. Not many people on the road, so it is pretty early. Oh, we're getting pretty close to Paris Harley Davidson, and you can see it's still 37 degrees out. But it is a very pretty day. I'll be very curious to see just who all shows up. So we're on the outer loop of 286. So we get close to 271. That. And so here's Camp the Soup off to the side. There's the entrance. Employee entrance. Almost to our destination. So we are pulling up on Paris Harley Davidson. It's just off to the side over here. And let's just pull in and see how things are going. There we are. Let's go in and see what's going on. A few people here. Well, one, that's Larry.
Merry Christmas from Matthews Nissan of Paris. Merry Christmas from Paris Ford Lincoln. Merry Christmas from James Hodge Dodge.
Merry Christmas, Paris, Texas from Paris Chevrolet. We want to give a huge welcome thank you from all of these dealerships in Paris, Texas for sponsoring all of our types for bikes with the Salvation Army and Toys for Tots for Paris, Texas and Lamar County. Thank you guys.
Thank you!
Okay.
Thank you so much to Wyatt and Paris News for their participation. Let's take a short walk through the Paris Harley Davidson shop.